Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage. And in today's video, we're going to be addressing some of the framework and getting the M3 on the frame machine, trying to straighten out all the frame and imperfections on the car. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos on the M3. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get straight into it. So as you guys seen in the last video, this wheel is touching the fender and there's no gap at all right here. So it looks like the frame rail got pushed back this way and there's way too much camber. So it looks like the strut tire went in this way as well, which is a problem. So right now we're about to take that car off the frame machine, put this thing on. And to do that, we got to take the side skirts off so we can properly attach the car to the frame machine so it won't move and we can start pulling on it. So the M3 doesn't have normal pinch welds like normal cars. It actually has these caps right here that sit over the holes. Where they at? Right over here. 4 holes on all 4 corners, and that's actually how we're gonna attach the car. The left tie rod is still not on the car, so we had to move the wheel by hand to get it onto the frame machine. Alright guys, this is the second day and check this out. Major progress already on the car. Front end is taken apart, wheels off, and let me show you some more damage. Right here, I did not see this because the fender was on it. It's kinked. All of this structure went in. There's the buckle I was talking about in the last video. This section, it kind of ripped off the metal. And then right here, it's split right there. All right, so after taking these headlights apart, or taking them off, it looks like they are fixable, and it looks like someone already did some custom wiring. I'm sure there's upgraded rings inside of them because there's some aftermarket stuff going on, which we'll have to figure out. This headlight is decent. This tab is broken a little bit right here. These tabs, where were they at? Broken right off. We'll have to repair them because they're M3 specific. They're hard to find. For that headlight, we're gonna need a little bracket trim piece underneath it. And then check this out. I finally exposed the actual dyno and intake, as you can see it. Filter cone right over there. That's legit. All right, guys, welcome back. Got the fresh cut. Sheesh. But check it out. We got some more progress on the car. Every day we're making some more progress. And let me show you what's going on. So check this out. My dad cut a hole in the frame rail, and look at that kink, dude. That's insane. So he's actually trying to pull it with the subframe. Pull it actually out to straighten it out over there. And we're too far into the project to give up and quit. We're actually going to end up saving this car 100%, no doubt about it. Let's keep on working on this thing and hope for the best. All right, guys, we're cutting it early today because it is Easter weekend, and tomorrow is Cars and Coffee on Saturday. So I'm going to go and clean the car up, and I'll catch you guys at Cars and Coffee in the morning. And in today's video right now, we're going to Cars and Coffee in the morning. So let's start this thing up and head to QT where we're all meeting up, and then we're gonna head to Cars and Coffee. It is in Greenville at the Bridgeway station, so let's start it up and let's head out. And check it out, just washed it up yesterday. It's freaking spotless, really nice and clean, and left it in the garage because it is pollen season outside. So let's head out to QT. All right guys, morning Cars and Coffee, let's get it going. It's taking a little bit longer. Everything's slowed down the traffic, but I can't wait. It seems legit.
All right, guys, and that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, be sure to like it down below, hype the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.